If you're looking to add an icon to one of your workshop items on Steam, then I'll be showing it to you. Right now I'm gonna just be doing it for Secret Neighbor. First you want to go to files you've posted. Then you want to click on one of these. And then you want to have it subscribed. Then you want to go to your game, Secret Neighbor. Go to browse local files. And then what you want to do is go to Steam apps. Then you want to go to workshop. You want to go to downloads. Content. And then you might have to search through these until you find the right one. For me, it is this number. To click on that, you should have these. These are my workshop items. And then in here you have preview picture. So basically, if you want to get your preview picture in here, all you have to do is create one, download it, name it preview, and then put it as PNG, and it'll automatically turn to this. Then you want to drag it into this folder. Then you want to load up your game, basically. It's for Secret Neighbor. Then what you want to do is go to editor, and then you see your maps. Then you want to do upload. It'll have it like this, but if you just want to make sure, you can create a custom game. I don't know, like something like this. And then what you're gonna want to do is go to subscribed, and then put this in there, and it should change the logo to that. And then you just want to re-upload it. And basically that's how you do it. I think this works with most Steam games. You just have to go to local files and then go to Steam, and you want to go to workshop on the folder. Yeah, that's how you do it.